In this lecture, you will learn how to add 3D depth to a shape. Let's add a shape like a rectangle or a square. To learn how to add 3D depth, to insert a shape, go to Insert, then choose a rectangle. Now let's draw a simple rectangle like this, or it can be a square too. To add 3D depth, you need to go to the Format Shape, and then under the shape options, go to Effects, then come down to 3D Format, and you need to increase the size under this depth field. But even after increasing the width or the depth, you couldn't see it from this angle because the depth is getting increased behind our point of view. That's why we couldn't see it. To see the depth, let's add a simple 3D rotation by going to Shape Effects and Preset. Let's choose any 3D rotation like this. Now, if you increase the depth, then you can clearly see that the 3D depth is getting increased. So this is how we can add 3D depth to any shape. In the next lecture, you will learn how to add or customize the 3D rotation along with 3D depth.